till my leg get numb. Nigga so broke, these nigga bums. A whole think that a nigga cuff and she dumb. 19, grown hoes, don't believe a nigga young. Fucking hoes, I'm swearing I don't know where they from. Let me welcome you here to the city of guns. And robbers and killers, my city get done. She crazy, the Glock 23 got a drum. 392, slide the bomb, but be play, you get stoned.
I started. Put the camera on me. Oh. Alright.
What the fuck?
Alright, man. What to do, YouTube, man? Y'all see your boy back with another video. Yeah, I mean, y'all showed a lot of love on that last video. I appreciate y'all for that. And we was at 1.5. So yeah, man, this video, I posted it 1 day ago. 1.5 views, 1.5K views. So shout out to y'all for that, man. Y'all gotta turn this video up too. Yeah, it's gonna be a lit day. Y'all just finna be with us. You know what I'm saying? Put yourself on there, bro. Let the fuck know who behind the camera.
Man, you already know who behind the camera, dog. You know what I'm saying?
Hold on.
Yo,
talk to him.
How I come out.
Talk to him. What's them foes called? The Toro?
Toro foes.
Toro foes, yeah.
He woke me up this morning and told me, hey, bro, we going to slide. You getting up? You coming?
You better know it.
I'm coming.
You better know it. All right, come on, bro. Hold on. Let me get that cold start. Well, move the truck first.
You put the blower. Hey. So, I'm thinking this shit right here, a push to start. If you got one of these goddamn keys, you need your...
Hey, bro.
I fucking hate this key, bro.
All right, he moving the truck, man. We gonna get out of the cold start right fast. Hold on. Hey, did I show y'all the blessed? Y'all didn't see my new tail light design, did it? Yeah, I see what's going on, man. You know what I'm saying? Blessed SRT, cause you know what I'm saying, like I always say, God bless me with this car. But hey, cold start right here, bro. Oh my goodness, dog. You know what I'm saying? If you know, you know. If you don't, you're broke. But nah, for real though, man, like, I really mean it. Like, y'all really showed a lot of love on my last video. I really appreciate that, you know what I'm saying? That just re-sparked the motivation, you know what I'm saying, when you get support like that, just randomly out of nowhere. Cause I think I never got that many views that fast. So like I said, like I really appreciate that, y'all. Y'all really showed love to your boy. I got my phone. I need to tell him get that charge out that car. I'm gonna cut the camera back on. I gotta get some gas. I got 51 miles till E, cause we was out all day yesterday sliding. I let my dad drive the scat yesterday. I did some donuts yesterday. I might throw that little clip in there too, just so y'all can see.
Yo, spin now. Yeah. I ain't bugging. Hey, that shit funny as hell.
But yeah, we finna go slide again today, y'all. We finna go on, burn these tires off and get some more. But yeah, I'm gonna cut the camera back on once we get there. One time. Alright, bro, go talk to him, bro. Let him know what's going on, bro.
You know what I'm saying? We having a whole lot of motion, no emotions, man. You know what I'm talking about, man?
You know what I'm saying?
Fucking big shit, not lost, man. You know what I'm talking about, man? Yeah.
Let him know something, bro. Talk to him about the vet, bro. Talk to him about the vet, bro.
We got the vet, man. We having a whole lot of motion, man. No emotions, man. I gotta keep on stressing it, man. You know what I'm talking about?
Whole lot of motion, no emotion.
No cap.
My boy got the C7.
This motherfucker dirty, and then we gotta get it clean, Jay. No cap.
For sure. You see, bro.
Flipper, man.
What's on the dash in the vet? 200. 200 on the dash in the Corvette, man. Hey, talk to him right quick, bro. Let him know something, bro.
Like with 5 on side. I heard it.
You hear me?
Watch me fire get it ready.
You're right, bro. Yeah, I know. I got the scat parked over there. Gonna go out, get in traffic a little bit.
They said for me, y'all can cancel, man. What the fuck going on, man? I spent too much money on this little ass jacket.
Hey, his car came just like mine before I wrapped it. Black and red calibers. So yeah, man. We finna go slide. We finna go, you know, get in traffic a little bit, ride a little bit. It's a nice day, a nice Friday in Memphis, Tennessee. Yeah, I mean. So yeah, man, I'm gonna cut the camera back on when we get to the slide spot. Boy got that heat out here. This ain't nothing though. Y'all ain't seen nothing yet. This on just some little private, little low key stuff. Wait till tomorrow. We popping out lit. You know what I'm saying? Bruh, this pump keeps stopping. Look, bro. Hold on. Let me see the camera. Look at this, bro. ain't stopping, bro. Look, we at 3. Hey.
Germany, nigga.
You think what?
You been in Germany too long. We don't have petrol, we have gas.
Yeah, hey, what happened? What happened?
Don't put it all the way up. So I did do like a little, they be doing this shit with trucks. Put on the first one, put it out here. Sometimes they be talking like.
Yeah, I think we'll be straight. So loud. You cannot be a guy that's not into cars, bro. Like, how do you not enjoy this? You know what I'm saying? How do you not enjoy this? That boy in the bed going crazy.
That motherfucker ain't want to kill. There you go. He said you can't do too much.
All the nigga in the field doing that shit.
What you need, bro?
I need some motherfucking lotion, man. My hands ass. I call it what? You know what I'm saying?
Hey, yo, what you call me? What you call me?
I said you borderline light skin, feel me?
Bruh. Man, something borderline light skin.
Borderline light skin.
Oh, yeah, I'm recording. Acting with it.
A few moments later.
Man, he bust a tie in it. bad. It's so cold, y'all. I had to put the hoodie on over the hat. It don't make no sense. How you recording?
Yeah.
I didn't turn me up on God.
On too fast, boy. He cutting the lights on too fast.
Don't know we can zoom in.
You know what's going on?
Yes, sir.
They're coming back in them.
Come on, the corner. Get in with him. Shit. I'm gonna get in with him, watch this.
Wake up.
Condition, murder and love. Mafia, nigga. Young turn, baby on lit. Cloud 2 times notice the head. Got stick on paper, no brick. No for the top, here low ain't shit. No, got my hand for beating the shit. Got it MVP right here. Like here better on my bitch. I crossed out a lot of niggas now.
Alright, man. It's the end of this video. You know what I'm saying? We just got active, had a little fun. Nothing too crazy. Man, stay tuned for the next vlog. I hope this was a good vlog so y'all can see like we out there getting active, you know what I'm saying? I hope it wasn't too all over the place. But y'all know I got videos on the way. Thank y'all for watching, man. Like, comment, subscribe, share this video. And if you see me out in traffic, man, take some videos for me.
Yeah, end of the video, bro. We had fun today, bro. You know, we'll catch y'all in the next vlog.
Yeah, we'll catch SRTJD out, you dig?